final thoughts on how to turn your electrician reviews challenge into a fun adventure. There's no such thing as business ethics. There's only ethics. Warren Buffett. Working on your reputation becomes a work on yourself, and how much you care about those giving you their money. She Raj, MD. 1. Get as many reviews as you can. 2. Start with Google and 3. Proceed to Yelp and Facebook. 4. Get in at least 122 reviews. 5. Make sure they are frequent, and never more than 1 month apart. 6. Get 4.2 to 4.8 star rating. 5 is okay too. You can't help it if you are that good, right? 7. Manage your reviews or hire a best review management company like ours, especially if they are fairly priced for the increase in jobs you get because of your improved online presence. 8. If you get negative reviews, make it a point to look into it. 9. Respond to both good and bad reviews. 10. Get streaming services like ours to help you earn the quick, big bucks. Remember, review is revenue. Go ahead and request your online presence report. We are offering at no charge to you, for a limited time, to help you see where the vulnerabilities are, and what you can do to beat the competition. You can request the free report at reviewisrevenue.com today, to see how your competitors are performing. Turning a few key leverage points can suddenly increase your business to new levels, as we are seeing with our clients. Would you like us to prepare a custom electrician online presence report created for you free of charge? Request your online report today, so you know exactly what the competition is doing, and how you can do better. We will start to prepare it for you when you request it at reviewisrevenue.com. For best results, and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings, for potential new electrician services customers to trust you, and book high revenue jobs with you. Subscribe to our playlist, request your free report at reviewisrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn to start building your unbeatable electrician business online reputation. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.